Want to block sensitive content on Instagram? In this video, I will guide you on how to block sensitive content on Instagram and keep your feed safe. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the three-line menu. This will bring you directly to settings. Now scroll down a bit. Here under what you see section, you will find content preferences. Select that. Now you will find the option of sensitive content. Select that. Now if it is set to more, you will see more sensitive content. If you want to block the sensitive content, then you want to tap on the less option. Go ahead and tap on the confirm option. Now there is no option to block all of the sensitive contents, but you can select the less option. Now head back. If you want to reset your suggested content, select reset option, then tap on next. Tap on reset suggested content and then confirm it. And in this way, you can block the sensitive content on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.